What happens when a historic football stadium gets completely torn down, only to be reborn as one of Spain's most futuristic arenas? Welcome to Zaragoza, where the iconic La Romareda, after 67 years of history, is being transformed into something truly spectacular: the new Romareda Stadium, a project that's redefining the city's skyline. This is SportsRender, and today we're bringing you a complete construction update on one of Europe's most exciting stadium projects, the future home of Real Zaragoza and one of the confirmed venues for the 2030 FIFA World Cup. Let's dive right in. Built back in 1957, it hosted decades of La Liga matches, Copa del Rey battles, and even the 1982 FIFA World Cup. But after more than 6 decades of service, time finally caught up. So in 2025, the bulldozers rolled in, and La Romareda was officially demolished to make way for a bold new chapter. And that's where the Nueva Romareda project begins, a €124.5 million reconstruction that aims to deliver a modern, multi-purpose football arena designed to meet FIFA's strictest World Cup standards. This new stadium is being designed by IDOM, led by architect César Azcárate, the same team behind several cutting-edge sports facilities in Spain. The vision? To build a 43,000-seat masterpiece that feels both futuristic and functional, and can even expand capacity for major events. Here's how it's structured: a 2-tier layout, with the lower tier partially embedded underground. The main stand will rise 5 floors above ground and include 2 underground levels for hospitality and operations. The upper tier rests on massive prefabricated beams built for both strength and speed. It's not just about size though, it's about smart design. The new Romareda will feature a 25,000 square meter roof, fully covering the stands with a shape inspired by the region's famous Cierzo wind. The roof's curves, both concave and convex, help stabilize airflow and give the stadium its dynamic, flowing appearance. The exterior design is one of the most striking features. A facade made up of vertical rotating panels known as llamas creates a shifting rhythm of light and shadow throughout the day. It's an arena that doesn't just host matches, it interacts with its surroundings. Inside the complex, you'll find far more than football. Commercial spaces, offices, a museum, VIP and hospitality areas, restaurants and retail outlets. The idea is to make the Romareda district alive 7 days a week, not just on match days. So, where are things right now? The project officially entered full swing in early 2025, starting with the demolition of the old goal-serve stand. Today, all the old stands are gone and the new foundations are taking shape fast. Excavation work continues across 3 of the future stands, and the north stand is showing the most visible progress. Pillars for the second level are already up, signaling that the stadium's skeleton is beginning to rise. The main construction company, Ola, in partnership with Altuna and Urea, is leading the project, and they're actually running ahead of schedule, targeting completion by June 2027, 3 weeks earlier than planned. One fascinating part of this build is what's happening underground. The stadium's main stand and south stand will have 2 full basement levels, reaching up to 8 meters deep, while the east stand will include an additional underground level. These areas will house player facilities, media centers, logistics zones, and technical rooms, keeping the upper levels clean, open, and fan-focused. While construction continues, Real Zaragoza still needs a place to play. That's where the Ibercaja Modular comes in, a temporary 20,000-seat stadium built specifically for the transition period. It cost around €12 million, and though it's smaller, it ensures the club keeps competing and fans stay connected while the new Romareda rises. And honestly, that's a smart investment. let's not forget the bigger picture. This isn't just a stadium for La Liga. The Nueva Romareda will be one of Spain's official 2030 World Cup venues, hosting matches watched by millions around the world. That means top-tier FIFA standards across every aspect: security, technology, accessibility, sustainability, and of course, spectacle. When it's finished, it won't just be Real Zaragoza's home. It'll be a symbol of how tradition and modern design can coexist beautifully. And that's your full update on the new Romareda Stadium, one of the most ambitious football projects in Spain right now. From its curved roof and panoramic walkway to its innovative structure and World Cup-ready facilities, it's clear this is much more than a rebuild. It's a rebirth. So, what do you think? Will the new Romareda become one of Spain's most beautiful modern stadiums? Drop your thoughts below. We'd love to hear what you think about Zaragoza's bold new home. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to SportsRender for more epic stadium updates, futuristic designs, and construction progress videos from around the world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.